Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to switch between wide, ultra-wide and macro lens on your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So actually this process is quite easy. At first we need to open our camera app, and here, now if you are in the camera application, to enter the ultra-wide lens we have to tap this 0.6. Apart from tapping, we can move, as you can see, our fingers, and we have to, like as you can see, pinch our fingers on this screen to make the preview, as you can see, slightly wider. Here, now to enter the wide lens, this is the default one, which is the 1.1. As you can see, this is the wide lens. To enter the telephoto zoom lens, we have to tap either 2 or 3. Here, as you can see, we have telephoto and zoom lens, or here, as you can see, this is the digital one. But to enter the macro mode, it's somehow more complicated. It's because this sets automatically if you move our phone close to the object. Here for macro mode, I do recommend to enable the 15 megapixels, and now we can move just our phone close to the object. Our phone should automatically enter the macro mode and take photos beautifully. For example, something like that. Now we can move the point, as you can see, 4x zoom, and if we tap it, the picture is quite lovable. And that's how this mode works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and like under this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And that's it. I hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!